Hi guys, good evening, good afternoon, magandang araw. We received a special order from one client. This is a golden tray with a golden wrapping and a touch of silver. So this is how I prepare the arrangement. So please watch and learn. I'm sorry I didn't show you how to put the cellophane on the top of the tray because I'm in hurry, because they give me only like 1 hour to prepare this arrangement. So in the downside have always wafer. See, I receive a call, so every time have a call they will interrupt my work and then continue again. So please watch this special order, how I prepare. And the second layer is a small square. That one is the flavor is caramel, mixed nuts, I mean, not the caramel, it's mixed nuts. Also I put on the round second layer. To all willing to learn to make the arrangement, please subscribe and watch my YouTube upload. By the way, this is my work, this is my talent for almost 17 years of experience in a chocolate company. So this is how I arrange in the corner to put the design, the chocolate coming carb. Please just watch only. I'm trying to speak because my English is very poor. Hope you understand, someone will understand me, understand what I'm talking. But if you're watching this video, hopefully you can follow how to arrange the chocolate. Hello guys, sa mga bagong nanood lang pala, ayan, simpleng arrangement lang dahil nakatanggap tayo ng urgent order. Ito ay customize yung kanyang sticker dahil ito ay order ng aming client. So, mayroon sila sariling sticker na nilagay sa chocolate. Bali ito po ay isang tray lang na special order. May combination na gold and silver. Bali yung timbang nito na chocolate ay inabot ng 3 kilo. At saka ito ay 5 flavor lang. Yung sa pinakababa ay wafer. The second layer is mixed nuts and caramel mixed nuts and double praline and also hazelnut. So may 5 flavor lang siya. Guys, sa gusto nyong matuto gumawa, pwede nyong panoorin yung mga ina-upload ko, dahil kahit papaano makakatulong po yan kung gusto nyo na matuto about sa pag-arrange ng chocolate. Dahil dito naman sa Middle East ay napakaraming chocolate shop at sweets na nagtitinda rito ng mga shop. So sa gusto lang matuto, manood lang din po kayo. Ayan na nga, natapos na natin yan. Ilasalansan yung mga chocolate. So nilalagyan natin to ng tape paikot, dahil dyan papatungan din natin ng double tape. Dahil dyan natin idikit yung cellophane na ating itatakip sa chocolate, para during the delivery hindi maglaglagan. And the same time, avoid dirty from outside. Ayan, double tape na po yan. Bali pinatong ko yan siya doon sa scotch tape na nilagay ko. Paikot din po. Ayan, medyo matalas kasi yung kanto, kaya inano natin, grind natin saglit para lang matanggal yung tulis, kasi mabubutas yung cellophane natin doon pagka hindi natin to yung grind. So ayan na po. Hindi ko siya natakpan ng buo yung tray mula doon sa baba, dahil mayroon po itong stand. So masisira lang yung yung cellophane pagka inano ko pati sa baba, dahil yung stand ay naapakan yung cellophane at madaling masira, madaling magisi masira, mapunit, I mean. So ayan. Ayan. Kakat natin yung sa may hawakan, tapos lagyan natin ng stopper na tape din, tapos idikit lang natin doon sa baba, dahil nandun na nakaabang yung double tape. So yun lang siya. So, ayan guys, lalagyan na natin ng ribbon. Gold din po yung ribbon na ilalagay natin. Simple lang. Ibuhol lang natin dyan sa taas. para magkaroon ng kahit pa paano ay magkaroon ng design na ribbon. Kasi pangit naman kung cellophane lang. So ayan na nga, 3 tupi lang. Ayan na, okay na yan. Simplihan lang natin. So ayan guys, thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.